How to unhide chat on Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply unhide the chat on Viber. It's super duper simple, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First thing first, tap open Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, tap onto the search bar at the top right corner of your screen and then type in your PIN which was used previously to hide your chat. Once you type in your PIN, the hidden chat will appear on your screen. Tap on it. Then again in the chat screen, tap onto the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then again click on chat info and the new interference. Scroll all the way down until you see an option called unhide this chat. Tap on it. Now enter your PIN. Now you have successfully unhide the chat. This is how you can simply unhide the chat on Viber. Isn't it simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.